This is OPPO's newly released Find X9s Pro, and this is the Hasselblad professional imaging kit they specifically made for the X9s Pro. Why do people call it Little OTI? This is the OTI level of treatment. Hey, do you see it? OPPO Hasselblad. Oh, this is good. There are no sample photos here because the most outstanding sample photo is the moment you capture with the most care. May you go straight and far, creating without limits. Who said that? This high-low phone grip is really good. First, this is the X9s Pro's telephoto lens, but I actually think this one looks even better. The silver paired with Hasselblad orange, it's very compact and sleek. Note, this is a 253mm telephoto lens. Look at the pull tab below, it's also Hasselblad orange. Pull it up, and first, a phone case. Oh friends, this case's texture is great. Here, the buttons are Hasselblad orange too. Oh, it's lined inside, and it's magnetic. The feel of it is very comfortable. Here's a Hasselblad 8-point star filter. This is an adapter ring for a teleconverter. Ah, it's metal. The texture is really, really good. Oh, this is so beautiful. No, this is truly a small OTI. Look, why do I think it's so cool? The silver lens, right? Inside, it's got this Hasselblad orange, which is a great accent. It really looks good, and it feels very premium. Next, let's get to the main topic. OPPO officially positions the X9s Pro as a travel photography marvel, but I think we should first discuss its internal design. We've already released an unboxing video, so I won't elaborate here. Its build quality and feel are top-notch. Also, the full screen, Dimensity 9 fan product frame stem sound 95 average, jump sound 500 processor, 75 mAh battery, 80W wide, 50W data bar large wireless, plus two 200 megapixel cameras, and a second-gen Daxia color lens. With all these specs, OPPO fit it into a 6.32-inch, 8.4mm body. I think this stacking ability is truly incredible. We did a quick gaming performance test at 25° C. It easily runs Genshin Impact at 60 FPS on max settings. The device's average power consumption is 4.17 watts. I believe this performance is more than sufficient for the vast majority of average users. So what exactly is OPPO's strategy for this travel photography marvel? First on the camera's hardware setup, compared to the last generation. The main and telephoto lenses now have new 200 megapixel sensors. It also features OPPO's second-gen Daxia color lens. This little O truly lives up to its name. We took some pictures with it, you can all see. The dynamic range, white balance, and color are all excellent. The visuals will look very pleasing. Thanks to the main and telephoto camera's higher pixel count, the X9s Pro can directly output 50 megapixel 8K photos at 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 2.7x, and 5.68 focal length. What are the benefits of high megapixels? You can digitally zoom in or use similar AI-inspired filmmaking features for recomposition. If you capture a super satisfying photo, you can also print it in high definition to slowly appreciate it. These are all the benefits of high megapixels. If you like atmospheric photos, then you can use their master mode. Its built-in native film feature can capture some very atmospheric photos. So what do you all think? You can chat about it in the comments section. But I think the most important thing about this master mode is their new preset sharing feature. So let's say someone sends you a photo, you can use Xiaobu memory to instantly save it with one click, then immediately import it to your camera, and you're ready to shoot. Wow, this is amazing, so incredibly practical, right? Also, this time they've combined the highly praised 4K live photo and the AI out-of-bounds puzzle features. What does that mean? It means you use the 4K live photo to create these out-of-bounds puzzles. See? You can create some truly imaginative, high-definition Liwu puzzles. Post them, and you'll be the brightest, most eye-catching person on your social media. Now, for professional video, the X9s Pro this time not only supports 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second log video recording, it also supports custom 3D LUT import and burning, making it compatible with professional editing software. For example, if we directly copy DaVinci's built-in LUTs to your phone, you can monitor while shooting or directly get the final footage. This truly makes it simpler to capture cinematic video. As for the system, we've discussed this before. Its lock screen island is very efficient. Its connection with iPhone is improved. When abroad, it can easily translate menus, and its Xiaobu memory now has collections, becoming even smarter. You can check out our past videos for all these features. We won't go into more detail here. If I were to sum up the X9s Pro, we'd say it's simply a mini OTI. This is the exact positioning OPPO intended, right? What score would everyone give it after you finish watching this video? So, bye-bye.